Hi, I'm Simi Renault. I'm the project engineer here at Red River Technology Center. This is the welding fabrication building that we have built for them, and I'll just take you through it and let's look at it. First walk in, this is our lobby area. This welding building consists of also classrooms as well as the actual welding shops. We've got 2 classrooms where they will do their learning before they actually move out into the welding shops to do the hands-on stuff. For each teacher, so they'll be able to check on the kids in the classrooms as well as make sure everyone is doing what they're supposed to be doing in the welding shop.
Hi, I'm Russell Gillum. I'm the project manager over this Red River Technology welding building project. And as you can see out here in the shop, what we have built in is there's actually 40 welding booths all total. There's 20 on this side and 20 on the other side. But the 2 shops are set up identical. And these machines out here in front are their MIG and TIG welders. We have an individual fume exhaust system for each one of the booths that can be moved around and set over where the people are welding to exhaust all the fumes out. And then there's other types of equipment and stuff that the school has purchased to bring in here to just help the kids and teach them how to weld.